Hi, you rotten, stinking, fucking millennials. You know, I have to talk to you about something. That you are gonna vote for a third party. Cause you have to be so different and crazy, cause you're millennials. Cause you're not gonna vote for Hilary, she's part of the system. You are idiots. I know we're supposed to be kind and coddle you, but you have to realize, if Donald Trump becomes president, he'll take your Snapchat away. If you vote for a third party, which I think is Snuffleupagus actually, if you vote for Snuffleupagus, you're basically voting for Donald Trump. You make me sick. You're spoiled, little, entitled brats who need their diapers changed. And you deserve climate change. You deserve Melanie Griffith, not even in her prime today. You deserve butter that's not even butter, it's parquet, bitch.